Hey, Cacher Derek here, Bake Six Clan.
Hey, Dad!
Yes, Nikki.
Mom says stop playing in the shop. I say, let's go caching!
That is a much better idea. Let's go. All right, so we are out here at the Sunflower Trail. We're just gonna be doing some caching here and some other places, but we have a new friend with us so that we're gonna show him what geocaching is about as we are going around. But we're just gonna have a lot of fun out here. So join us for our adventure. All right, so we're at the GZ for this first one, and with it being Cam's first time to cache, we have already found this one, so we wanted to come to a familiar one that we know where it's at, so that he can kind of experience the find himself, and we know right where it's at. So that's just a really quick tip of if you're taking somebody new out caching.
So Cam, what did you think of your first cache?
It's very fun because it's hard to get, but it was also hard because I thought it was on the ground, but it's actually magnetic.
All right, so this next cache that we're going after is a little bit more festive. It's called Yule Log. So I thought because of the Christmas season that we have right now, let's go find this festive cache called Yule Log. Let's go. All right, so yeah, we didn't find that one, but it's okay. It was called Yule Log, so Nikki, I guess you'll have to come back and find it later. Yeah, there was some kind of craziness out here. There's a lot of leaves.
It is the fall.
It's fall going into winter.
No, it's winter.
It is winter. Today is the first day of winter that we're actually finding this, but we're not able to find it. But that's part of geocaching, Cam. So, but did you have fun?
I had fun until I got hit by the sticker bush.
Yeah, no, we didn't like those sticker bushes, but that's okay. That's just part of it. Sometimes it happens. But hey, I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and just hope you guys have a great time. If you can, get out there and go caching, have a fun time. But hey, if it's where you can't get it going out, don't go anywhere. Go check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.